Hello, today I'm going to show you how to get more speed into your Apple iPhone XS and Apple iPhone XS Max. Everyone knows it. After a long working day with your Apple iPhone, you have so many apps in the background that your speed is not so much than the beginning. You can't do anything for this. The easiest way is to close the apps in the background. For this, you only thing to do is to swipe from the downside with your hand upward and then rest a second. And after this, you are going to see all apps on the screen, which apps are running in the background, and this will cost a little bit of speed. Easy, and let's perform it. You take your finger, swipe up, hold for a second, then release your finger, and there it is. So many apps in the background. The apps are not off if you're going back to the home screen. The apps are running in the background. So, and now how we can stop the apps of running in the background. Only swipe a little bit and throw them to the upper side. Job's done. Every app is closed, not removed, only closed. You are going to have now a little bit faster phone. Let's do it again. Let's start some apps randomly. Okay, here I am on Instagram a little bit. Let's do a podcast. Okay, now another one. Yes, the clock. You can use this too if you like to switch between the apps. Swipe upward, let it go, and then you can sort your or watch your background running apps, and you can enter to the running apps, of course. If you like to delete them, you can choose what kind of app you are going to delete. Not delete, close, sorry about this. You do not delete them, you only delete the task. So easy it is to get a little bit a faster iPhone again. Oh, this is easy, isn't it? And you only need one finger for this. Nice and easy going. I like it, and I am doing this all 3 or 4 hours. That speeds up. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon.